Yakhni soup recipe. 1 pound for 150 grams chicken pieces with bone for flavor, 8 cups water. 1 large onion, roughly chopped, to medium-sized carrots, peeled and chopped to celery stalks. Chopped 1 leek. Sliced white and light green parts, 4 to 5 cloves garlic, minced 1-inch piece of ginger, sliced. 1 cinnamon stick, 4 to 5 whole black peppercorns, 4 to 5 cloves. 2 to 3 green cardamom pods, salt to taste, fresh coriander leaves for garnish optional. Lemon wedges for serving. 1. In a large pot, combine chicken pieces, water, onion, carrots, celery, leek, garlic, and ginger. 2. Add cinnamon stick, black peppercorns, cloves, green cardamom pods, and salt to the pot. 3. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low. Cover the pot and let it simmer for about 1.5 to 2 hours. This slow simmer extracts flavors from the ingredients. 4. After simmering, strain the Yakhni broth using a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth into another pot or bowl, discarding the solids. 5. Taste the Yakhni and adjust salt if needed. 6. Serve the Yakhni hot, garnished with fresh coriander leaves if desired, and accompany it with lemon wedges for individual squeezing. Enjoy your homemade Yakhni soup. It's a comforting and nourishing broth that can be enjoyed on its own or used as a base for other soups and dishes. I hope you like this recipe, so don't forget to like and share. And on which recipe to make the next video, please tell us in the comments section.